Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this short video, guys, I'm gonna share with you a free method, right, for earning affiliate marketing commissions. All right, this method involves nothing but using your Facebook page. Okay, so basically, I'm talking about doing attraction marketing. Okay, and this is one of the easiest ways to market whatever it is you're promoting online. And so using nothing but Facebook, well, keep in mind you can use this strategy on any platform, but I see it being really effective on Facebook, right? So all you need is your Facebook account, okay, and the product that you're promoting. Now here's the thing, I want to say that the product, the little caveat to this method is it should be a product that you're promoting that you use and that you really believe in. All right, like it shouldn't be something like, you know, like you don't use, you don't even really like, you just in it for the money. Like it probably won't work if you don't really believe in a product. Maybe you could, I don't know, but we're just gonna assume for this video it is something that you know you really enjoy. Okay, so the strategy is basically using attraction marketing. So what you need to do is very simple. You need to first join a lot of groups that's related to your niche, that's related to the product that you're promoting. So I'll use for an example, because I actually got one of these and I'm actually going to do a video on my Facebook about this. I just got, for Christmas, I got an arm blaster. If you don't know what an arm blaster is, it's basically where when you're working out and you're doing curls, you basically put this little thing on and it goes behind your arm. So when you're curling weight, right, your arms can't move. It's called an arm blaster. It's supposed to help build up your biceps, right? Anyway, all right. So if you want to check that out, go to YouTube. Well, you're already on YouTube. Go to Team BTFL. That's my fitness channel. All right, your boy be grinding. Anyway, so say for example, arm blaster. Okay, so what is attraction marketing? How do I you know, promote the arm blaster on my Facebook? Very simple. First and foremost, I take pictures, right, of me with the arm blaster, making little comments, right? Then I post a video of me using the arm blaster. All right, I post pictures and I post videos, right? So not only do I do that on my private Facebook page, right, I actually will post things like this in different related groups, like fitness groups, you know, workout group, exercise groups, anything like that related to, you know, people who would want to use the arm blaster. But here's the thing, guys, here's the key to the strategy. You do not sell, right? You don't put up a picture of you with the arm blaster and be like, hey guys, check out this arm blaster, available now on Amazon, link below. Nah. You just constantly find a way to put arm blasters in your posts, right? Now keep in mind, another part of this strategy is don't make all of your posts, because you found something to promote and you're a marketer and you want these commissions. Do not make all of your posts about the arm blaster, because now people are really like, wait a minute, like, is he selling it or something? Do he work for arm blaster? Man, get out of here. No, still post all your normal stuff. Still post, you know, how's your day going? Still post motivational quotes. Still post pictures of your dog or your kids or whatever. But just sprinkle in, for example, oh, I can't wait to use my arm blaster today. Really trying to get these arms big. Boom, that's your post. 2 days later, back at it. Arm blaster still, my arm's still sore from using my arm blaster. Boom, right? You know, or you could even make an engagement post and say, you know, put a picture of the arm blaster, put a picture of it and say, anybody ever used this before? How do you like it? That's it. That's it. Why? Because people are going to either say, hey, where'd you get that from? Right? Or they're going to say, how much does that cost? Right? Where'd you get it from? How much did that cost? Or they're going to say, they'll ask you a question. Hey, is it really hard to use? Right? Any of them questions will allow you to now private message them, or even comment in the comments. You can go back and forth, but then you can private message them, and whatever your answer is to their question, you can always follow it with the link, preferably in private message, right? You can always, for example, how much does it cost? Oh yeah, this is only $40. You can get it. I got mine from Amazon. Here's the link. You can check it out. Boom, right? Or somebody says, oh, is that hard to use? You can private message in the back. Not really. I really enjoy it. I mean, at first it took me a little time to get used to, but if you want to check it out for yourself and watch and check out other people's reviews, here's the link. Check it out on Amazon. Do you see what's going on with that? You get it? And the cool thing is, guys, you could do that with pretty much anything. Pretty much anything. And I'm using that example is because a guy I went to school with, he would always post videos of him using these bands, right? He always post videos. And I was thinking to myself, if I was a guy who was looking for workout equipment or trying to get in shape, and I saw him using these bands, I would easily ask him, hey bro, what are those called? What are those bands called you using? Where you get them bands from? Right? So I'm doing this video mainly because too, I actually messaged my friend and I said, hey, are you an affiliate of those bands? He was like, nah. I said, bro, if I was you, try to find out if those bands got some sort of affiliate program, whether it be Amazon or through the company. I said, you could be making money off this. And he was just saying, thanks. I don't know if he did it or not. I don't know. It's his loss. If he didn't, I don't know. But yeah, guys, you could do this pretty much with anything. All right. And guys, by the way, this method is absolutely free. You know what I mean? Like joining groups and posting on your Facebook page. This is a free, and it can be a fun affiliate marketing strategy that could make you a lot of money. All right. So if you are looking for something to promote and you are looking for ways to earn $50, $150, and even $300 commissions, you gotta watch this video right here.